Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, madam, I hope you received the message.
Which message?
The message that you sent for you for the access document. You know me that called you just now, Mr. Michael.
Okay.
Okay. I hope you received your own message.
Yes.
Okay, have you write the 6 number down now?
Yes.
Okay, what are the 6 number you wrote down?
0
0
0
0
0
0
1
1
1
1
1
Eh?
1 another one.
Okay, another one. Okay. 1. Just. Mama, it's not correct. The number that you copied down.
That's the number.
That is not the number that you see. Just check on it again.
Okay,
just
let me call another one.
Okay, call it.
2
2
2
Anofia. Love you.